Let me start by telling you all a story of a mischievous student that was constantly throwing paper aeroplanes across the classroom and disrupting his fellow classmates. Soon, after a couple of days, the whole room turned into complete chaos. The teacher, recognizing this, warned the student that this would be their last chance. If they were caught misbehaving again, they would be expelled. But do you think that stopped the student? Absolutely not. They just had to get a bit more creative and find ways to hide their bad behavior from the teacher. Now, what if I said that this wasn't actually about a mischievous student, but in fact about cancer? Cancer cells release millions of bad messages, paper aeroplanes if you will, and these messages help the cancer cells to grow and spread to other parts of the body. And it is this spreading of cancer cells that results in what we know as metastases, a very lethal consequence of cancer. Luckily for us, just like the ever-watchful teacher, your body's own natural defense system, your immune system, is constantly watching. It is able to detect and destroy these messages mid-flight before they can cause too much havoc. Metastatic cancers in particular are very skilled at flying under the radar and avoiding being detected by your immune system, and the messages they release are actually key to this. But what about these messages makes them so different that they're able to avoid being detected by your immune system? Well, that is exactly the question that my PhD thesis will address. I will capture these messages mid-flight directly from cancer cells to unravel and study them and see what it is that makes them different. Perhaps they are wearing a special disguise that makes your immune system think that they're actually good. Or perhaps they actually contain a magic sleeping powder that puts your immune system to sleep so that they can't detect anything ever again. On the flip side, now what would happen if, say, I was able to equip your immune system with a special pair of glasses that allowed them to see through this disguise, or even I armed them with a neutralizing spray so that they would no longer fall asleep? And this is exactly what I hope to do. So far into my PhD, not only have I been able to isolate and capture these messages mid-flight, but I have studied them and found that they interact very differently with the world around them. And right now I'm trying to understand, well, what is the role of these interactions in helping these messages to fly under the radar? Potentially, they help actually form that disguise that I mentioned, or even they increase the potency of that magic sleeping powder. By trying to understand this, we can create therapies and treatments that are better able to detect the cancer cells earlier on. Not only that, but these treatments can also have greater efficacy and greater safety profiles. And so I truly believe that if we can intercept these messages in cancer, this will be the key to revolutionizing current treatments and saving countless lives.